When we have big spreadsheet, which when we send it to print is going to exceed what fits in one printed page, Excel determines the page order. The order in this case, we see that these 8 pages that we are going to print, once they are printed out, we put them in a mosaic, as if we wanted to join them all together. We see that first it prints the top left one logically. However, page 2, the one she numbers as page 2, is the one that is to the right, and so forth to the right. And in 4 the data from the last year end, and so page 5, the next page, will be the first columns, but of the rows that are situated after or below this latter here. That is, that page 5 are the last rows, but to the left, then to the right, etc. That is, that we have an orientation, a page order, that if we are in page design, sheet options, it brings up this configure pages window where it tells us that the page order goes first to the right, then down to the left, and then again to the right. First to the right and then down. That is, this way, this little Z-shaped arrow indicates this exactly, that the order in which the pages will be printed, page 1 will always be first, but page 2 will be the one to its right, not the one below. If we want to see all of the concepts first, and then get the data to the right, what we have to do is alter the page order and tell it to go down first, to go down the whole row until it reaches the end, and then when it gets to the end, then it can move on to the right. In this case, if we accept, we see effectively that when we send it to print, we see that page 1 remains the same, but look at page 2, it is no longer the one to the right. That is, these same concepts, the next years, but the next concepts, these same years. And page 3 will be the one that formerly was page 2, which are the first concepts, the following years and so forth. We see that this might be useful when I send my spreadsheet or the results of a study to print. I might want to have them in one way or another. Excel by default takes one of them, and it is very easy for us to alter this with this instruction, which is in the Tools ribbon in the Page Design tab as Sheet Options. We can restore its original value and it would be the default state.